Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. As we're heading into the weekend, what a quiet day today. Really nothing going on. We've seen some altcoins grind through their corrections. They have possibly completed their corrections or are about to complete their corrections very, very shortly. So they've continued. Bitcoin, well, also continued with the correction. But really, it was a very uneventful day because Bitcoin has not broken above yesterday's high or below yesterday's low. So basically, we are not we don't have any more information that could inform our analysis further. Therefore, the potentials are still relevant and the analysis is still relevant. And we'll see if the weekend brings anything exciting. Chances are, however, that the weekend won't because we're dealing with a wave 4 correction. And yeah, the volatility seems to be reducing a little bit. So obviously we have still the two potentials. So all I can do is to restate those potentials and also talk about what, this triangle is obviously an option that we talked about. I'm just very hesitant to count it as a triangle. I don't like the proportions, but it's a valid Elliott Wave triangle as well so far. We start to have enough waves for a triangle. It's just that I've seen it so many times last year that these triangles, when they are about to complete, they actually break into the other direction and they are no triangles. They turn from triangles into something different. And that's why I said over the last few days, I know a lot of people interpret this as a triangle and trend continuation pattern. And look, absolutely possible. We are bullish anyway on Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm bullish on Bitcoin. The support area is clear. There is no need for the price to dip back into support, into the lower orange support region. It would be ideal, for example, in a WXY structure. I'm just saying this is for me the more probable pattern compared to a triangle, given how rare triangles have been in this bull market. Because they start to look like triangles and then they turn into, extended ABC flat structures or WXY. So I'm not saying it's not a triangle. All I'm saying, just be aware when you track this triangle, just be aware, watch it like a hawk, it could turn into something different. Looking at the structures then, there are two main wave counts I'm observing. The yellow one is the short-term bearish one, in which we have a WXY pattern, in which in the Y wave, we're forming an A, B, C structure. The B wave could be unfolding right now and could then lead to a C wave decline. Maybe the B wave topped. Okay, so that's basically the message I gave out that, it's possible that this B wave topped there, but we also only see, we haven't seen any break of support. So to confirm that further, that wave C of Y has started to possibly 59K, or at the minimum below the wave W low, which is at 60.8K, I need to see a break below the Friday low. And that's at 66, no, not below it's below the Thursday low, 65K basically. And then the C wave, could possibly target 59K. That would be a straightforward pattern and we could finally complete this correction. Is this what's going to happen? It needs some further evidence, right? As I said, we haven't broken below support. We haven't broken above resistance. We're just currently moving sideways. So it really takes a break below 65K to, confirm that further. And it would be the direct pathway to complete this correction. Often Bitcoin doesn't like to take the direct pathway. Therefore, I've introduced the white count, which is an extended ABC structure. If anybody accumulated in this support zone, a rally like that white B wave could offer a profit-taking opportunity, maybe in batches, in which we have here a large ABC structure and the B wave is a smaller ABC. And this C wave could be unfolding right now, but it's only valid as long as yesterday's 65K low is holding. And it probably would take the price to 76K. That's based on the Fibonacci measurement, the 100% extension of the A wave. So it could take us to 76K roughly, 100% extension. But it needs to hold, obviously, the low. And it can only work, really, as an ending diagonal pattern to the upside. So we haven't really got high confidence that this is what's unfolding. It would need to show me a bit more. Okay, so In both scenarios at the moment, I'm watching for the price still to dip back into the support area. Now, that's not necessarily a prediction, it just tells you about the risk. Note that we're in a bullish market and the trend is up. The trend is up. I'm just telling you the two potentials, how the price could dip into the support region again. It means don't be surprised by it if it happens. The support zone is clear. It's between 50.7 and 61.8K. It was reached already once here. And the ideal support normally for a fourth wave is the 38.2 retracement. Not sure if we get there, but 59K is sort of a level that seems reasonable at the moment. We'll see how it develops over the weekend, but there is currently not much more I could add really. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.